Hello everyone, welcome back to another Power BI exercise. Create a conditional formatting rule. This is a very simple exercise, but it is very important from an interview perspective. Most of the time, interviewers ask how you can show sales loss in red color and profit in green color, or can you change the color of the sales or any value based on a condition. So in this exercise, we will do the same. Here is the task for the exercise. Load the dataset into Power BI. Create a rule to highlight employees who scored above 80 in green and others in red, and display the data in table with conditional formatting. First, I will show you the result of the conditional formatting and then we will implement it. Here you can see that employees who scored more than 80 have a green color, and for everyone else the color is red. Now let's start the practical. First we will load the dataset into Power BI desktop. So for that, under Home tab, click on Get Data and select the source text CSV because our data is in text file. So select the text CSV. After that, select the file and click on Open. Here you can see the data preview and click on Load. So here you can see data has been loaded successfully into Power BI desktop. Dataset name is employee, and here we have two columns, employee name and performance score. If you want to see the data, so click on table view and here you can see the data. Now we will create a calculate column for the performance status, where we will write one condition. If employee scored more than 80, we will mark them high, else low. Now let's create a calculate column. So right click on the any column name and click on new column. First, provide the column name performance status, and here we will use if condition. Provide the performance score column name greater than 80, so we will mark them high, else low, and close the bracket. After that, click on commit. So here you can see here employee performance score is more than 80, so it is showing high. Here score is less than 80, so it is showing low. So in same way you can see the performance status. After that, click on report view. Here we will add one table visual. So go to the visualization pane, click on table. Here first we will add the employee name, then add the performance score into the column section of the visual, and by press and hold the corner of the table visual you can manage the height and width for the visual like this, and then right click on the performance score column and go to the conditional formatting and click on font color. From format style drop down, select the rules, and here we will select the performance status column. So expand the employee data set, click on performance status, and here we will write the condition. If value is equal to high, so it should be in green color. So click on more color and from here select green color. Then click on new rule. If value is equal to low, so it should be in red color. So make sure spelling name should be the same, and after that click on OK. Now you can see that condition formatting has been implemented according to the condition. Here where the employee's score is less than 80, the color is red, otherwise the color is in green. I hope you liked the exercise and learned something. If you enjoy the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.